Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on naval ships. So, in this case, we are taking when observer is viewing from the front side or from the bow side of the ship, it's found that rotor is rotating in clockwise direction. So, our situation is rotor is rotating in clockwise direction when viewing from front or bow side. And let's consider this ship is taking a left turn. This ship is taking a left turn and ship is taking a left turn. So situation is when this is the observer side or side from where we are viewing and rotor is rotating in clockwise direction when viewing from this side. So and it's taking a left turn. So this is left turn. So now when according to right hand rule, if we curl our finger in this direction, then the angular momentum vector would be this. This would be our angular momentum vector L S, or we can say angular momentum vector because of spin. So when this ship takes a left turn, this angular momentum vector would travel in this direction, and when this ship taken a 90-degree turn, this would be the direction of angular momentum vector LS after taking turn. So we can say according to our theory lecture, we can say LS always change the direction of active gyroscopic couple. So we can say this is the direction of active gyroscopic couple. And now if this is the direction of active gyroscopic couple, this would be the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple, or we can say this would be the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple. And this ship precess about this z axis, so this would be our precession axis, and let's say it's precess with omega p velocity, and this is our spin axis. So if this is the reactive gyroscopic couple in this direction, so if we point out our thumb in this direction, in the direction of reactive gyroscopic couple, so we can say we found that the effect would be something like this, or this would try to, if I transfer this effect on the ship, this would be something like this. This is tau r. So if this is the gyroscopic couple, this would try to lift up the stern or aft. So effect would be, and this would try to dip the front end or bow. So we can find out, or answer would be effect would be the stern or aft will be raised and bow or fore end or front end will be dipped. So this would be the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple in this particular situation. So in the next lecture, we'll consider the another situation and we'll find out the effect of reactive gyroscopic couple on the naval ships. So thank you.